G'day, welcome to Sigh Luxton's Master Bait and Tackle. Today we're going to cook a whole Vietnamese style snapper on the new Weber SmokeFire. So to start with, we're going to make a little bit of a paste style marinade. To a bowl we're going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 bits of the inner core of some finely chopped lemongrass, 1 large red chilli thinly sliced, about 3 centimetres of fresh ginger finely grated, and 2/3 of a cup of fresh coriander, chopped up nice and fine, and then squeeze a whole lime in there. So now that we've done the marinade, it's time to draw our attention to our fish. We got this from the local fish shop and they've prepped it for us, which involves taking out the guts and descaling it. Today we've got a beautiful locally caught snapper. He's about 1.2 kilos. You can use any sort of medium flavoured white flesh fish for this one, but we've chosen to go with a good local one. So now we're just going to put some incisions into the side of the fish. What that's going to do is allow our marinade to sneak in there and flavour the flesh while it cooks away. So just going to transfer the fish now onto 3 layers of foil. We're going to fold the sides up so we make a little boat for him. Then we're going to hit it with our marinade, massaging it into all those incisions we've made and putting all the rest inside the fish too, so it just infuses it while it cooks. Sweet, so we've marinated our fish. Our SmokeFire's at 395 Fahrenheit. It's the perfect temp for us. What we're going to do now before we bang it in, we're going to slice up some lime wheels, place them evenly over the top of the fish. It's just going to help steam the fish with those lime juices. So depending on the size of your fish, you're going to need about 25 to 35 minutes for this one. And yeah, should be damn delicious. Sweet, so our snapper's come along well, it's done. It looks cooked, it's nice and crispy on the edges, but what we were looking for personally was an internal temp of 145 Fahrenheit. So there's our snapper done, guys. With this sort of fish, slap it in the middle of the table at your next dinner party, serve it with some rice. You could have it on tacos or just eat it straight off the bone.